AI investing is a type of investing that is done with the help of artificial intelligence. Machine learning intelligence gives proper information about various tradings in which you can invest and gain some profit. You can find a lot of opportunities in AI investing. You can say goodbye to those manual businesses in which you have to start from zero. Now you will not have to manually search the stocks that are profitable. AI investing takes care of that easily. You just have to invest in and get profits simply. 7. Trade ideas. The best AI tool that you can find that helps you with trading. Trade Ideas teaches you how to trade and invest properly without effort. It consists of an advanced, well-organized trading platform. It offers you a variety of trade ideas that helps you accurately understand stock marketing and trading. Using the Play Money feature minimizes the risk of losing your money. People who have just started using this platform can get trade ideas with wholly AI software. 6. Trend Spider. Trend Spider allows you to develop technical strategies that work while investing in some platforms. The Trend Spider is a specialized AI-based software that is an excellent option for those people who want to run their trading strategies automatically. It is an AI investing software that allows you to build, test, and optimize your trade easily. It gives more innovative and efficient trading opinions using high-tech machine learning mechanisms. 5. M1 Finance. M1 Finance frequently tops our best of investment lists. The top-notch interface, low fees, and customizable investment pies make it a great choice for investors seeking a disciplined, but unique investment experience. M1 Finance allows users to opt into Auto Invest. With Auto Invest, M1 Finance's algorithms will rebalance your portfolio anytime you have at least $25 in cash in the account. Since M1 Finance supports Roth, traditional, and SEP IRAs, it allows many investors to automate tax-advantaged investments. It also supports individual and joint brokerage accounts. 4. Black Box Stocks. Black Box Stock is the best option as to get pre-market alerts before the stock market's opening. It is one of the most user-friendly trading software. This AI investing software provides an easy-to-operate platform that allows you to enter a stock symbol and run a screen based on defined criteria. It is different from all the other commonly used AI investing software as it gives you proper alerts that help you find proper opportunities in real time. It uses specialized AI algorithms that bring your attention to a massive list of stocks. 3. Zignally. Zignally is an awesome option for trading in cryptocurrency as that it gives you helpful information about crypto and where you can invest only in terms of crypto. This AI investing software is an AI crypto bot that allows you to trade in crypto. You only have to pay when the bot makes profits in crypto. It differs from other AI investing apps as it takes no time to learn how to operate. It is straightforward to work, and anyone can use its system without effort. It deals with everything so that your focus is on the more significant trade-related issues. 2. Tickerin. The best AI investing app, Tickerin allows you to swing and day stock trading with the help of AI. It provides your signals for a variety of trades automatically. With the signal, you can signal for day and swing stock trading and day and swing crypto trading. This AI investing software claims real-time trading is the best way to determine entry and exit prices. For this purpose, you would have to scan hundreds of cryptos within a minute, which seems impossible with humans. But with the help of AI, it can be quickly done. 1. Carve-out. An amazing option for AI investments is Carve-out. It provides you with all the information you require to bring educated financial decision-making. It combines artificial intelligence with machine learning to suggest the best stocks for you. You can have access to those signals and factors that are proven via research. The factors have been tested through an artificial intelligence system. All the given platform allows you to invest in various tradings all around the world. Nowadays, finding a proper profit in any type of business manually is a very difficult job. Now you can invest your money securely as you know you are going to achieve some profit out of it. As the world is progressing on a daily basis, and technology is shifting from manual to auto, you should start investing in any AI investing app that suits you to become a businessman easily. Thanks for watching.